Now the next topic of the same accounting treatment of goodwill, that is hidden goodwill. What is hidden goodwill? Hidden goodwill means the information regarding the goodwill, regarding the valuation of goodwill is not given in the question, but goodwill is there. Then we have to find out that amount of goodwill which is hidden. Is it clear? The valuation of goodwill is not given in the question, that at the time of admission at what value goodwill is valued. It is not given in the question, but goodwill is there and we have to find out that hidden goodwill, that amount of goodwill which is known as hidden goodwill. So the next topic is your hidden goodwill. Hidden goodwill. Hidden goodwill. To find out the hidden goodwill, I am giving you one illustrations. Suppose X and Y are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. They have admitted Z into the partnership firm for suppose 1 by or 3 by 8 share of profit, 3 by 8 share of profit, 3 by 8 share of profit. The capital of X, suppose it is 5 lakhs and Y it is 4 lakhs given in the balance sheet. Okay, and here Z as a new partner has brought rupees 3 lakhs as 6 lakhs as capital. 6 lakhs as capital. This is the capital given by Z to the new firm. In question, valuation of goodwill is silent. No information is given. Then how we will calculate the goodwill? What we do, we find out the total capital of the firm on the basis of capital contributed by Z and his profit sharing ratio. His share of profit is 3 by 8. So for 3 by 8 share of profit, Z has given 6 lakh as capital. So the total capital, on the basis of Z's share of profit and capital contributed by him, will be 8 upon 3. Just we capitalize this share of goodwill, a share of capital. For 3/8 share of profit, he has given 6 lakh as capital. So total capital on the basis of this will be 16 lakhs. This should be, the total capital should be, on the basis of Jet's share of profit and capital contributed by him should be 16. But the actual capital of the firm after admission is X capital is 5 lakhs, Y capital is 4 lakhs and Z capital is 6 lakhs. So total capital is 15 lakhs. So actual capital is less than the capital should be. So goodwill is equal to capital should be minus actual capital of the firm after the admission. So capital should be 16, but the actual capital is less than that. It means the business is operating with the less amount of capital and earning the higher profit. That difference indicates that 1 lakh is the goodwill, means business has not invested 1 lakh, that saved rupees 1 lakh as capital. That saving of 1 lakh as capital indicate the value of goodwill. So valuation of goodwill is 1 lakh. So Jet's share of goodwill will be Jet's share of goodwill is equal to 1 lakh is the total value of goodwill into Jet's share is 3 by 8. So we'll easily find out the Jet's share of goodwill. This is the problem related to hidden goodwill. How to calculate the amount of hidden goodwill. Now see that question based on hidden goodwill. The question is, Mamta and Seema are partners with a capital in a firm, with a capital of rupees 5 lakhs each. Share profit losses in the ratio of 3:2. The question is, Mamta and Seema are the partners in a firm, and in between them profit sharing ratio is 3:2. In between them the profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Rakhi is admitted as a new partner for 1/4 share of profit. She is the new partner admitted for 1/4 share of profit. Rakhi brings capital of rupees 8 lakh, rupees 8 lakhs for his share of profit. And in the question, the capital of both the partner has given 5 lakhs and 5 lakhs each. And one more information regarding the profit and loss credit balance, that is 4 lakhs. Okay. Past journal entries to record the goodwill of on Rakhi's admission. So we'll find out first the total capital should be on the basis of Rakhi's share of profit and capital contributed by her. So for 1/4 of share, she has contributed 8 lakh as capital. So total capital of the firm should be 8 lakh into 4 upon 1. So it should be 32 lakhs. But the actual capital of the new firm after admission is capital of Mamta is 5 lakhs, capital of Seema is also 5 lakhs, and the profit and loss credit we may directly add it, or we may divide the profit and loss credit to their capital account in the ratio of 3:2. So 4 lakhs into 3 by 5, 2 lakh 40 and 1 lakh 60. So total capital of Mamta is 7 lakh 40 and 6 lakhs 60. And new partners Rakhi's capital is 8 lakhs. So total capital in the new firm is 22 lakhs. Total capital in the new firm is 22 lakhs. So goodwill is equal to capital should be, that is 32 lakh, minus actual capital. Capital should be minus actual capital, and actual capital after the admission is 22 lakhs. So the goodwill is 10 lakhs is the goodwill. Now the Rakhi's share of goodwill, is equal to total goodwill into the share of Rakhi is 1/4. So it is 2,50,000. Rakhi's share of goodwill is 2,50,000. Now we'll do the entry. Is it clear? Now we'll do the entry. So what we have done? First of all, we'll find out the total capital should be on the basis of what? On the basis of new partner, means Rakhi's share of profit, that is 1/4, and the capital contributed by her 8 lakhs. This is going to capitalized by her. If for 1/4 share of profit she has contributed 8 lakhs as capital, then total capital of the firm should be 8 lakhs into 4 by 1, 32 lakhs. But the actual capital of the new firm after the admission is Mamta, Seema and Rakhi. Mamta's capital is 5 lakh and Seema capital is also 5 lakhs. There is a profit and loss credit balance, we know that only the old partner have a right on this amount. So this amount I have transferred to their capital account in the ratio of 3:2. So 2,40,000 and 1,60,000, the total capital of both the partner after adjusting the profit and loss credit balance is 7,40,000 and 6,60,000, and the new partner's share is 8 lakhs. So total capital is 22 lakhs. Total actual capital is 22 lakh. Actual capital is less than the capital should be. So this difference indicates the value of goodwill of that firm. So value of goodwill 32 lakhs, that is the capital should be, and 22 lakhs, that is the actual capital. Actual capital is less than the capital should be by 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs is the goodwill, valuation of goodwill. This is the valuation. We have done the valuation of goodwill. So goodwill is 10 lakhs. Out of this 10 lakh, Rakhi's share of goodwill will be 10 lakhs into Rakhi's share is only 1/4. So 2,50,000 is the Rakhi's share of goodwill. Now we'll do the journal entry related to the accounting treatment of goodwill. Now we'll do the journal entry related to the accounting treatment of goodwill. So first one, cash account debit or bank account debit to Rakhi's capital account. Rakhi has contributed capital. Okay. Rakhi's capital account, that is 8 lakhs. She has not given his share of goodwill to the firm. She has not given his share of goodwill to the firm. So Rakhi's capital account will be debited with his share of goodwill. And this amount, his share of goodwill is 2,50,000. This one will be transferred to the old partner Mamta and Seema. Mamta's capital to Seema's capital. In the sacrificing ratio, as the future ratio is not changed, so old ratio and sacrificing ratio will be same, that is 3:2. So this amount will be transferred in the ratio of 3:2. 2,50,000 into 3/5, 1,50,000 and 1 lakh respectively. Okay. The next is this PL account, profit and loss account, will be transferred to old partners capital account in their old ratio. Old partners capital account in the old ratio. Profit and loss credit balance has given in the question. Profit and loss credit balance has given in the question. So that profit and loss credit balance will be transferred to old partners capital account. So profit and loss account credit balance will be transferred to Mamta's capital account, and Seema's capital account in their old ratio, not new ratio, old ratio. So it is 4 lakhs. This old ratio is 3:2. Old ratio is 3:2. So 4 lakh will be divided in the ratio of 3:2. 4 lakh into 3/5, 2,40,000 and 1,60,000. 2,40,000 and 1,60,000. This is the entry related to hidden goodwill. We'll see one more question based on hidden goodwill.